What's up everybody? It's Cody Hatfield with Cole Chevrolet's Tip of the Day. And for today's tip, we're going to go over your car's remote starter. There are 3 common myths about a remote starter, such as, does it cause a problem with your car, such as the starter or the transmission? The only way it would cause a problem if there's a manufacturing defect. The second biggest myth is it illegal to keep your car started? It's not. After a couple minutes after you've remote started your car, it will shut off automatically by itself. That way it protects you and the environment. And for the third myth, is it easier to steal your car while it's remote started? It's not. The theft protection is not turned off, and plus the thief would need your key fob to steal your car. Now that we've debunked the myths, let me show you how to properly use your remote start. First, make sure you're within range, 200 feet or less. And then you want to hit your lock button until you can hear your vehicle beep. And after that, you want to hold the remote start circular button for 4 seconds until you see the vehicle's headlights flash, indicating the vehicle is on. And if you decide you don't want to go anywhere, all you have to do is press and hold the remote start button to shut it off. Thank you for checking out Cole Chevrolet's Tip of the Day. Make sure you check back in next week for some more tips and tricks. And schedule your next test drive with this Buick Encore with me, Cody Hatfield.